Hello and welcome to a mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. We get one or two customers who are requesting to replace the hinges on their doors. This type of hinge here. Now, we have a method that we prefer people to use to get an accurate dimension. And basically, it's simple. Two pieces of card, and you offer the card down the side of the hinge. So if you want to just come in a little bit here and come down from this side. So we slide this card down the side of the door. It touches the main face of the frame there, and this sits on the face. You hold it tight, remove it, put a pencil mark down, and the dimension we want you to send us is from there to there. And that's it. Just a little tradesman's trick from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Thank you.